Hello and welcome back to Customer States. These are the worst mechanical nightmares, so let's begin. This customer brought in their sports car complaining of a knocking noise in the rear during high speeds. I think we can see why. This customer brought in their vehicle for an oil change and wasn't interested in being upsold on anything else, like new shocks. This customer brought in their vehicle stating that the engine wasn't turning over and couldn't figure out why. This is a brand new battery brought from O'Reilly's, which had the actual production date sticker covered with a newer one. This customer brought in their vehicle stating there was a weird noise when filling up. This customer brought in their vehicle stating there was a weird knocking noise. This customer brought in their vehicle stating there was a popping noise when shifting gears.
I believe that is our problem. Oh my goodness.
This customer brought in their vehicle stating after the service the mechanics can also clean their car, which is filled with rubbish and literal maggots. This customer brought in their vehicle stating that their car doesn't run right, which ended up being an evap issue.
Today we have a 19 Chevy Silverado with 40,000 miles on it in for a large evap leak. So let's just take a look. Huh. I think they forgot to take that out.
This customer brought in their vehicle stating that they changed their own oil. The mechanic recommended the customer stay away from servicing their own car. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to Customer States to see more.